Hello, friends. We are back at Walgreens. We are looking at some 75% off feminine care, the TAMPAX, which is top tier, and free cosmetics. What a week it is over at Walgreens. So we are doing more deals. Now, I just want to show you guys some of this clearance. A very good friend of mine, Rolling Coupon Moms over on Instagram, was talking about this yesterday. And I looked up at my local store, and a lot of the feminine care 28, the larger packs, 75% off. Now, what I'm not going to do is bingo call every single price, but you can see $279 for like a huge box of those lights, the regulars of $329, original price $12.99. Now, for those of you that want to do a spend 45 to earn back 15 on P&G products, guess what? This is part of it. And some of us just prefer Tampax line. It is a favorite of mine. I've been the product I've been using since I was a teenager, and I prefer this over pads. It's just a like, and I know people will probably say something completely opposite in the comments, like you shouldn't be using it. But for a lot of us that use this, unfortunately, we don't get a ton of deals on this. So to see this at this price point, put in an order, even if you're just ordering $10 and using $10 in Walgreens cash. Now, I'm going to let you guys know that online and in-store might be the same price, or it might be not there yet. So if you can order this curbside, do it right away. So these 100 liners, $4.49 with the 2 off of 2. It basically makes each box $3.49. Not bad. And we also have the JCPenney or the generic only at 50% off here. I mean, if you like the Walgreens brand pads, this is a 48 counter at 50% off. This Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo, it is 20.3 fluid ounces. That is a massive bottle of it. We currently have a $2 digital coupon, so it drops this friend down to $2.79. And that is a gigantic bottle of baby wash. So definitely, you can see all the specifics here. 20.3 fluid ounce. So it's a larger one with the pump. If you want to order that, it's 50% off with the digital coupon. It makes it a much better deal. We don't get a ton of deals too on this baby shampoo. So definitely something to consider. The Mitchum deodorant at $4.99. We have a $2 digital. It makes it $2.99. So that $2 coupon, very, very valuable. I would definitely load it and make a deal happen. And again, with clearance for curbside and in-store, it might be the same or it might be different. And depending where you live in the U.S., we might be on the same time frame for clearance, or it might be delayed by a week. So just open up the app, search feminine care, Tampax clearance, and then the other products if it piques your interest. First thing this morning, which is Wednesday, March the 4th, I got 2 boosters on my main card, a 7 back when you spend 25 and a 4 back when you buy 2 dental care products. My husband's card only got the second one, the 4 back when you buy 2. Go into your Walgreens account and load these right away. They're both fantastic boosters, and we will put them into good use next week. In case you missed it, yesterday I made a video, the Dollar General, tons and tons and tons of penny items yesterday, and because the list was so vast with Valentine's Day, frozen food, and all this other jazz, I really recommend that you watch yesterday's video if you want to try to be on the lookout for some of these. I showed the UPC and the item, and I will link the video at the very end. And are these items ringing up actually for a penny? Here's the receipt. It is fantastic. Do love penny shopping, and a lot of this stuff is from Christmas. It carried over to Valentine's Day and then pennied out. So a lot of this stuff is just fantastic for gifting for next year. And I'm really excited by that because you can save so much money doing it this way. And I'm just really, really thrilled to death. So I will link this video at the very end. And it might be worth going to the Dollar General and looking around for some of these purple squares or the Valentine's Day items. Hey friends, we are going to look at 2 different beauty deals using this, the 10 back when you spend 25 and a 5 back on any, which are in fact stacking. So on a $25 basket, you are getting $15 back. So the beauty stuff that we're going to be looking at includes 2 of these L'Oreal Infallible eyeliners for $11.49. And we currently have a 10 off of 2 and a 6 off of 2. We're going to go very heavy in one of these baskets with the L'Oreal because I know that some of you really like it. And we're also going to grab 2 of the L'Oreal lipsticks. Also, buy one, get one 50% off. And as you can see, that 6 off of 2 is in fact attaching to these lipsticks. Now, there is a little promotion code that you'll get $4 off. It is Charmed. You can see right there in the center, our gorgeous 10 off of 2 and the 6 off of 2 melting off with that $4 coupon. So how lovely is all of that? I mean, it's just savings on every single angle. Now, just to show you guys the overall total is $33.71. Subtracting the 4, you are at $29.71. So you're still there. $16 in manufacturers melting off. With your debit card, pay $15.49 and you're getting back $15 in Walgreens cash, not factoring in the tax. It's basically free. Use your debit card because the promotion for beauty, that beauty one, is to spend $25 to earn back $10. Use Walgreens cash or you will not earn it back with that beauty one. So, but what a deal. Fantastic to get 4 L'Oreal products basically for free. The final deal that I have prepared for you is a mix mash of some different makeups. We have our 2 different boosters here, the 10 back when you spend 25 and the 5 on any. So if you still might have that one, this is another great little deal for you. So what we're going to do is grab 2 of the Maybelline Baby Lips. It's like a lip balm with like a coloring in it. Perfect for teenage girls, I think. We have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon with a buy one, get one 50% off. So that is $10.48 for the 2. And then we're also going to throw in 2 of these lipsticks, and that 10 off of 2 is in fact attaching. So for 2 of them, it's $16.48. And these L'Oreal lipsticks, really, really nice as well. Good quality. One of my favorites. And the final item that we're throwing into the basket is an Aveeno skin healing ointment for $6.99. Why specifically this one? There's a $3 digital attaching, so it makes it really cheap. And this is also part of beauty, which is really nice to see. Now, just to show you guys our little chorus line, Maybelline, L'Oreal Paris with that 10 off of 2, the $3 for Aveeno. And remember, as you're buying 2 of those L'Oreal lipsticks, you can still use Charmed 1 to save $4. The overall total for this is $33.95. Subtracting 4, you're at $29.95. $19 in digitals coming off. With the tax, it's $12.75, and you're getting back $15 in Walgreens cash, which is like freebie and a moneymaker. Now, if you don't have that $5 booster, that weird one, it's going to be like $2.75, not factoring in the tax, like $1 for all of this, which is still a really great dealio. That's it for this video. Dollar General stuff linked right here. Check it out. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.